Yogendra, please start. Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment. What do we mean by increment, beta?
Increase.
Increase in the, any increase in the salary. And what was the increase in the salary? Rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? उनकी अगर salary 5,000 थी for the first year and he was getting increment of rupees 200 per year. Like in the next year, the salary would become
5,200.
very good, 5,200, and then 5,000,
5,400.
400, 600, and so on.
800.
Right. We have to tell in which year it will become 7,000. But if we represent increment like 5,000, 5,200, dash, dash, dash till 7,000, does it form an AP? Does it look like an AP?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
With the first term 5,000 and common difference 200. We have to find the year. In which year? Which year means which variable we have to find here?
N.
N.
N. And what is this 7,000 actually?
AN.
N.
AN.
Nth term. Nth term.
Of that particular year in which the salary will become 7,000. So AN is 7,000. Yes, beta. Since it's a word problem and in the entire question, nowhere they have used the term AP. So whenever you are dealing with word problems, you have to mention this statement that the given situation can be represented as an AP. The given situation can be represented as an AP given by this, with first term A1 as this, common difference D as this, and AN is equal to 7,000. Yes, beta. Now, what is the formula of AN?
A1 plus N minus
A1
1.
plus N minus 1 into D.
Yes. This is 7,000. Let us put the values of A1, which is 5,000. N minus 1. Here D is 200. And this should be equal to 7,000. Right? Let us solve it out. Let us take 5,000 that side. So we have 200 into N minus 1 equals 7,000 minus 5,000. Now what is 7,000 minus 5,000?
2,000.
2000.
And this side we have 200. 200 and 2,000 can be cancelled,
N.
right? So N is equal to
11.
10 plus 1, 11. Now the value of N is 11. So that means which year we are talking of? In which year the
11th
salary
year.
will reach 7?
11th year.
11th year. 11th year. And the first year was 95. So we have to tell which year, 96, 97, 2000, 2010, which year, beta? Which year?
2006.
2006.
No, it will not be 2006. Please understand this thing. 1995 salary was 5,000.
5,000.
Continuing like this, 1996 salary was 5,200. Continuing like this, reached 7,000 in some year. अब आप लोग क्या
2007.
करें? Now you are saying we will add 11 to 95, 2006. No beta. अब n
Ma'am-
equal to 1 में 95 भी तो है ना बच्चे? First year भी तो count होगा ना 95 में? N equal to 195 will be counted.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
दिमाग चलाओ. Use your brains. Which year it will reach 7,000?
2005.
2007.
2005.
2005. Because 11 years में first year is this one.
Plus
11
N.
years. First year is 1995. So remaining 10 years are needed na, to reach 7,000. 7,000 के लिए N is 11. 95 is counted as the first year. So 10 more years are needed to reach 7,000. Are you with me? Are you getting
Yes,
my
ma'am.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
जी जी अब इसका एक I'll give you one more thing about it. It can be asked to you in the interviews for the senior levels like college or some job interviews. If a child is born today, we call it birthday. First birthday. Birthday को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? जन्मदिन. तो जिस दिन जो बच्चा born हुआ है, पैदा हुआ है, वही तो first birthday हुआ ना? But what we call here, when the child is turning 1 year old, we call it as a first birthday. Technically, logically, that is the second birthday of the child when child is turning 1 year old. But if we use this in day-to-day language, it will be a problem. सब कहेंगे पागल हो गए. The person has lost his or her mind. That is why talking like this. But अगर आप logically देखो, technically देखो, when the child is turning 1 year old, actually the child is celebrating second birthday. Because the day child is born will also be counted as the first birthday. Birthday, जन्मदिन, जिस दिन बच्चा पैदा हुआ. Getting my point? So 95 is counted as first year. So remaining just 10 more years are needed na, to reach 7,000. So 95 plus 10 will give us 2005. Yeah? And this is a small calculation. You can even count on your fingers if you want to cross check. 95, 2000, 96, 5200, 97, 5400. Likewise, you can count and see in how many years you will be getting 7,000. Okay? So now the year in which Mr. Rao's salary will reach 7,000 or rupees 7,000 is equal to 1995 plus 11 minus 1 in the bracket. So 1995 plus 10, which is equal to 2005. Clear?